I'm going to give you a brief tour of room 11826 on the Norwegian Bliss. So this is the bathroom. Very spacious for a bathroom on a cruise ship. So I'm right at 6 feet tall, so this is pretty roomy. And then they have a line as well for you to dry off bathing suits or any wet clothes that you need to dry off. Then we have the sink area. Then a little bit of storage at the bottom. Some towels, pretty spacious. Then we also have some hooks on the right side as you enter. We have a full-length mirror. We're gonna come in, show you the closet. We have a few shelves for storage. And then let's open up the other side. Room for your suitcase at the bottom. You hang up a few jackets because this is an Alaskan cruise, so the items that you pack are gonna be bigger just by default, so they take up more space, so that's good to have. We have a couch. I stopped by Starbucks waiting for our room, and we have just a regular dresser area, nothing special. All right, y'all, I wanted to show y'all something that I thought was really cool. The woman at the, what is it? I keep forgetting. The cruise next desk. She basically confirmed that we were both prior military, and they wanted to just acknowledge it and do something special. That was really cool, I thought. So she said she was gonna have some gifts sent to our room. And look, so if you're prior military, you already know about the coins. So we got a Norwegian coin. I thought that was pretty cool. And we also got a bottle of some good stuff, okay? Adult juice. So with the military appreciation, they also have a welcome dinner, like a reception type of dinner, and they're also giving us a chance to meet the captain. So if you are prior military or if you're currently serving, just be sure to mention that and make sure that you get all of your little goodies, because I thought that was really decent for them to do that. So okay, so back to the tour. So here we have just a mirror with the actual desk itself. Nothing fancy, just a regular mirror. Have the TV entertainment area, room service menu. Then we have 2 nightstands. Is this a queen size bed or king?
Honestly, it's probably a king.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think let's safely assume that it's a king. Like I said, 2 nightstands, 2 lighting fixtures on both sides, blackout curtain, and then I'll take y'all outside. Then we have the balcony. And that's it. Nothing crazy. I just wanted to give y'all a quick tour. So I know when we're planning for trips, this is really helpful to know what the room actually looks like. So again, we're both very tall individuals and we have plenty of room in the room. So that's it.